In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary admin in QuickBooks in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're transitioning roles within your company or simply updating account information, knowing how to adjust the primary admin settings is crucial for maintaining smooth operations within QuickBooks. So let's get started. First things first, navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your starting point for any administrative changes you need to make, including changing the primary admin. Once you're at the home page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Sign In button. Click on it. This is the gateway to accessing the back end of your QuickBooks account, where all the magic happens. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and type those in. Remember, it's essential that you have administrative access to make changes to user roles, including changing the primary admin. Now that you're signed in, let's proceed to the next step. You'll want to access the settings. You can do this by visiting a specific URL, or if you're already logged in, look for the settings option in the dashboard. This might be represented by a gear icon, but it could vary depending on the version of QuickBooks you're using. Upon entering the settings, the next step is to go to Manage Users. This is where all user management takes place, allowing you to add, remove, or alter the roles of individuals who have access to your QuickBooks account. This section is pivotal for what we're about to do, so make sure you're in the right place. Within Manage Users, you'll notice a tab or section labelled Accounting Firms. Click on this. QuickBooks often categorizes users to make management easier, and accounting firms is where you'll typically find external accountants or advisors who've been granted access to your account. Now find the Delete drop-down. The terminology might seem a bit off because we're not looking to delete anyone, but stick with me. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find the option to Make Primary Admin. This is crucial. Click on this option. What you're doing here is identifying the user you wish to elevate to the primary admin role. It's a simple yet powerful change that can redefine how your QuickBooks account is managed. After selecting Make Primary Admin, you'll be prompted to confirm the change. Look for the Change Primary Admin button and click on it. This action will initiate the process to officially change the primary admin in your QuickBooks account. It's a significant step that will require your confirmation because it impacts how your account is accessed and controlled. Congratulations, you've now successfully navigated through the process of changing the primary admin in QuickBooks. It's a straightforward procedure, but one that holds a lot of weight in terms of account security and management. Let's recap the steps quickly. Sign into your QuickBooks account, navigate to Settings, go to Manage Users, click on Accounting Firms, find the Delete drop-down and select Make Primary Admin. Finally, confirm the change by clicking on Change Primary Admin. A few additional tips to ensure smooth sailing. Always double check that you're selecting the correct user as the new primary admin. It's a change that carries significant responsibilities, so it's crucial that the chosen individual is willing and able to handle the role. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing the primary admin in QuickBooks. This change can help streamline operations, ensure that the right individuals have the correct level of access, and potentially tighten security by keeping your account under the supervision of the most appropriate person. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're an aspiring accountant or a business owner keen on keeping your financials in check, knowing how to manage user roles in QuickBooks is an invaluable skill. Until next time, keep navigating those financial waters with ease and proficiency.